Hi, I'm Jeff Kyle. I'm the CEO of PDC.
Our in-house tooling combines an experienced, first-class team of toolmakers with a full suite of equipment, including EDM, grinding, and precision high-speed machining settings, allowing for achievement of tooling tolerances that we measure in microns. Our cleanroom production takes place within an ISO 13485 quality management system. Starting with robust process development and validation, we extensively utilize automation and precision vision systems to ensure that the products that we manufacture meet the highest standards of quality and cleanliness. Our metrology capabilities combine skilled engineers and technicians that are experts in the intricacies of precision measurement with state-of-the-art equipment, ranging from white light interferometers to optical measurement systems to 3D scanning equipment, all meticulously calibrated to ensure the highest levels of accuracy and repeatability. What sets us apart is our team, the cornerstone of our company. Our collective expertise is based on decades of experience and includes an in-depth understanding of product design, injection mold tooling, and material properties. Our priority is to place the customer at the center of everything that we do.
Thanks for taking some time to learn more about PDC. We look forward to working together and hope to hear from you soon.